Hi everyone, so welcome to third video of basic of economics. And sorry guys, because I'm trying to upload everyday video, but due to some personal reasons I'm unable to upload videos continuously. So please keep patience. I'll upload all the videos of basics of economics, and after that we'll move to the advance of economics, right? So sorry for that guys. So let's start. And today we will, in the previous video we already talked about PPC names and the assumptions. Okay, so in this video we will talk about PPC definitions and we'll understand the curves and schedules. Okay, so production possibility curve, basically it is a curve which depicts all the possible combination of two goods. Already I said in the assumption that we'll assume two goods for the production in production possibility curve. Okay, so production combination of two goods which come which economy can produce with the available technology and given resources. Okay, so what the technology we have available and resources we have available will produce two goods. Okay, so let's understand with the help of schedule over here. So let us suppose we are assuming assuming these are the possibility of produ- of producing two goods, good X and good Y. So if we take possibility A, then suppose we are producing good X 0 quantity. Okay, here we are producing good X 0 quantity and good Y 15 quantity. That means that we have using all the technology and resources only in good Y, not in good X, right? That's why here good X production is 0 and good Y production is 15. Now if we take second possibility, then we distributed the technology and resources among two goods. How? If we increase one unit of good one, then the production will reduce of second good Y. Here you can see, when we increased good X production, here good Y production falls by 1 unit, right? When we take a third possibility, we are increasing good X, and you can see here the good Y production is reducing simultaneously, right? You can see here. So while we are distributing technology and resources, one good is increasing but another good is decreasing. Okay, so this is the marginal rate of technical substitution, also it is called. So when we draw this schedule on a graph, we will get this kind of graph, that is concave shape graph. We get a concave shape graph you can draw on your paper. So this is the good Y and this is the good X. When we draw this schedule on a graph, we will get a concave shape graph like this, and the points over here in this curve, these points are called fully utilizations. That means we are using all the technology and resources fully, completely. We are using completely, fully utilization we are using. Okay, so these points are fully utilized point. But if some points are under the curve, then we will say that this point is underutilization. That means we are not using completely technology and resources. What we have, technology and resources, we are not using that completely and fully. That means this is the underutilization. This point is underutilized point, right guys? Hope you are getting what I am trying to say. Hope you are getting, guys. Now if 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 any point is out of the curve, right here, if any point is out of the curve, then this point is known as unattainable point. Why it is unattainable point? That means that we have fixed resources and given technology, and beyond, if we go beyond, then this point is unattainable. We can't attain this point, right? We can't attain this point because we have these limited resources and technology. Under this only we can produce, only this we can produce and distribute resources among two goods. But if any point out of this curve, then this point is called unattainable points. Hope you have got, guys, right? So this was for today, guys. We'll meet in the next video of 4, right? And hope guys you like hope guys you like the video. Subscribe the channel, and if you are a new in this channel, please don't forget to share and subscribe. And one more thing, guys, you can join our Telegram channel also. And if you are an economics student, please share this channel, guys, among your friends, because this is the initiative who don't have any kind of resources of economics. We will provide free of cost over here. So subscribe and join our channel. In next video will come soon, so please wait, and thank you very much, guys.